Now we're going to evaluate function rules. So f of n, that's what that indicates. F of n, we're saying a function of n, which means we're going to be putting in our numbers for n, equals negative 3n minus 10 for n equals 6. So we're going to put in 6. We're going to substitute that in everywhere we see an n. So it'll look like this. F of 6 equals negative 3 times 6 minus 10. Now, here's why a lot of kids hate function notation. They'll see this f of 6 and they'll say, oh, that means f times 6. They're right next to each other. So that's 6f. Now with function notation, this stays the same on the left side. You don't even need to worry about that. Only evaluate the right side here. So we have negative 3 times 6, which is negative 18, minus 10, and negative 18 minus 10 is negative 28. The left side, you just keep the f of 6. So again, what this is saying is, when you put in 6 into the function, you get out negative 28. We put in 6, we got out negative 28. Evaluate y equals negative 2x squared plus 7 for x equals negative 4. Again, f of x, that's going to mean the same thing as y. So we don't need to do anything, we can keep it y. But we're going to plug in, we're going to substitute in negative 4 for x. The y stays, it hangs out. Order of operations, we've got some multiplication, we've got exponents, we've got addition. Order of operations says, well, we got to do the exponents first. So negative 4 squared, negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Then it says we're going to do multiplication next. Negative 2 times 16 is negative 32, plus 7 gives us negative 25. So we have y equals negative 25. Now eventually we are going to turn these into coordinates. Now the x-coordinate is what we put in our input. So like in this case we put in 6. And then our y-coordinate would be what we get out of that once we solve it. So that would be like our answer. So this coordinate would be 6 and negative 28. This one we put in negative 4. And we got out negative 25. Our answer was negative 25. They're not asking us for that yet, but we're going to be graphing these soon, and these are going to become coordinates.